माइक कहाँ गया माइक?
Leaders, are you ready to take the pledge? So repeat with me. I swear by the name of God that I shall uphold the dignity and keep the sanctity of the school. I solemnly affirm that I shall respect the teachers and all concerned of the school, respect my classmates, and abide by the authority and rules and regulations. I will devote myself to carry out the duties assigned to me diligently under the able guidance of the principal and the staff. I promise to be an honest and sincere leader and encourage the students to be appreciative of the success of others.
Good morning everyone, myself Durgadar Pandey of 11th Commerce. As you know, I am going to be head boy of the school. As the head boy, I pledge that I maintain the dignity of the school and I will respect my teachers and staffs. Thank you.
Good morning, school. Myself Akshat Singh from class 11th Humanities. I am going to take a responsibility as a discipline in charge of the school. I pledge that I promise to respect all the teachers in class and school and abide by the rules and maintain discipline in the school. Thank you.
A very warm good morning to all and all. Myself, Anirudh Yadav of 11th Commerce, and I am the new cultural head of the school. I pledge to uphold the rich cultural heritage and promote diversity to the students. And I appreciate to the school that he will conduct me as a new cultural head of the school. Thank you and have a great day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Adit Pratap Singh. I am from class 11th Math. As a sports captain of our school, I am blessed to lead by example, inspire my teammates, and I give my 100% on and off the field. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. This is Susil Prajapati of class 11th even Maths. I am going to become the house captain of Blue House. Today I pledge to uphold my responsibilities and respect all the teachers and the staff. Thank you.
Good morning one and all. I am Sanjay Yadav from class 9th B1. I am selected as a vice captain of Yellow House and pledge that I will try to give the best use of my responsibility. I will follow the instructions of principals and my teachers. I will try to give best as soon as possible. Thank you for.
Good morning all of you. I am Swarmisar of class 11th Commerce. I pledge as the greenhouse vice captain that I will try to work hard to inspire everyone. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. This is Pratham Gupta from class 11th Maths. Today I am selected as a senior Red House captain. I pledge as a senior Red House captain that I will look to all my work sincerely and honestly.
A very good morning to all. I am Anshika Srivastav of 11th Maths. I solemnly pledge to fulfill all my duties as the head girl of our school to all my abilities. I will lead by example and demonstrating integrity, honesty and respect. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Good morning everyone, our director sir, principal ma'am and all my dear friends and batchmates. Myself Janvi Keshwani from class 11th Commerce and I am going to become the discipline in charge of our school. As a discipline in charge, I pledge myself that I will follow all the rules and regulations of the school and do my duty very carefully. I will obey my teachers, senior students and batchmates and keep the student under discipline in the school premises. Thank you.
A top of the morning to one and all. I am Anshu Mishra of 11th Maths and I am selected as the cultural head of the school. It is an honor to carry the position. I pledge to sustain the diverse and the immense culture of India. I will make sure to improve the participation of the students. My ambition is to remove the stage fear from the students' mind. Now, wrapping up, I would like to express my gratitude to the school. Thank you for being a patient listener.
A very warm and pleasant good morning to one and all. I am Pratiksha from class 11th Math and first of all I would like to thank our school for giving me this opportunity. And as a sports captain, I pledge to follow my responsibilities and duties perfectly and not give anyone any chance for any complaint. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Sash Singh from class 9B. I am the vice captain of the Blue House and I pledge to do my duty with all of my heart and to respect everyone. Thank you.
Good morning Principal Ma'am and teachers. My name is Achal Pandey and I am from class 11th Maths. First of all, I would like to give me this opportunity to be as a leader of my house and that made itself to be me proud. And I fulfill my duties very well and make the dignity of a school maintained. Thank you.
Good morning school. Myself Kriti Chaurasia from class 9B. I am selected as the greenhouse captain of our school. I pledge that I will fulfill my responsibilities and duties with goodwill and optimism. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Supriya Yadav from class 11th Maths. Today I pledge that I will be an honest and sincere leader of Red House. I will adhere to the school rules and regulations and always try to motivate and encourage my peers while maintaining the standard of discipline. Thank you.
Now I request all the house teachers to kindly go and meet your students, house captains, and congratulate them and instruct them what they have to do. Just a minute you will take. Teachers, kindly move. House teachers, all the house teachers are requested to go and congratulate your students. Kindly move fast, teachers. All the teachers, those who are present over here, house teachers, if you are there, kindly go and meet your students. If the teachers want to speak something for the students or to talk to the students, you can take the mic and do so. Thank you, children and the teachers.